These images were taken by a crew on board a helicopter over a river in Kamogawa City, Chiba Prefecture near Tokyo. It shows a tsunami flowing upstream near the river's mouth at around 2:50 p.m. on Sunday. According to a scientist, tsunami-triggered rapid fluctuations in tidal levels may have allowed the tsunami to flow upstream. Tsunami can travel upstream for several kilometers, capsizing boats. The same phenomenon was observed after a major earthquake that hit northern Japan in 1983 and a massive quake that struck off Hokkaido in 2003.